Welcome. If you're watching this video, that means your analog stick has a problem. Before you start dismantling it and fixing it like I'm going to show you in this video, you should take off this tip and put alcohol with a cotton swab and rub it in here, right there. So, and then mess around with it, might get fixed. So, right now, I'm going to show how to prove if your analog stick is messed up or not. You need this program called PSP-checker. PSP-checker. Go over to key test, and now look at the analog stick. On the bottom, it shows the numbers over here, horizontal and vertical. Vertical all the way up should be negative 128, and horizontal all the way to the left should be negative 128. And the other way should be 127 positive for both of them. If your analog stick is not on 0, 0, that's okay. Everyone's still like that. It's perfectly normal. So then you leave this program if your analog stick is not working correctly and not going all the way, like mine was. Turn off the PSP. Take out your battery. Now you're going to unscrew all this. Six screws you should unscrew. 2 of them are silver. 2 of them are silver, 4 of them are black. I want to show you all the screws. One's here, one's here, 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 and 2 in these holes right here, here, and here. So I unscrew all of them. Well, you should unscrew this one too, but mine's broken, so I don't have to unscrew that. And it should come off like this. Comes off like this. You don't need this right now. You need the analog stick right here. There's 2 screws holding it. You unscrew those 2. That's 1. And that's 2. Now look. Make sure you take off the cover thing for the analog stick. Right here. Take that off before you, otherwise you can't take out the analog stick. Even if you take out the screws. You can take out the analog stick. And there's this plastic paper thingy in here too. Like this. It goes right on there. You don't need that right now. So, the analog stick. These are the 4 connectors that touch the PSP. These 4 connectors touch over here. Alright, to open this up, you have to take out this metal thing. It just snaps right off. Not that hard. Take out this metal thing. Now, here's the circuit board for that black thing. This thing pops right out. Here's the circuit board. You really only need to take out the circuit board. There's no need to take out more. These are the actual things that get moved by the analog stick. Now watch, I'm going to move the analog stick. I'm going to move the analog stick and they move. I'm moving it up and down right now. Now I'm moving it side to side. Now diagonal. See that? Now this place might be, there might be dirt in here from all your hours of playing. Yeah. But you don't want to open that up. These things fall out, so I'm holding it with my finger. This cover thing comes right out. It's being held in by 4 pins on each corner. That's what's also holding in the circuit board. There's holes on the circuit board, you can see that hold in. Now if you take that out, there's going to be a spring around this analog stick itself. And now it takes forever to put that spring back in, so I suggest you don't take it out. Unless you still have problems after facing it this way. Now, on the circuit board, these are the places that touch by these metal things, metal connectors. Here and here. Now, they get like rubbed out from using it too much. When we're all rubbed out, and I used pencil to color it back in. Regular lead pencil. And colored it back in, and it works fine now. Just open it. So you could color it in. Yeah. Show you guys. Now you close this. Make sure to put it back the right way. See how these two are like this? Like an L like this. And this is an L like this, so it should go like this. There you go, covered it. This metal piece goes on facing this way. And it should be better now. Now reassemble everything the way I told you. It should be way better. If it's faded out, that is, the circuit board. If it isn't, then it might be from the connectors itself. That's how I fixed mine. See if it works for you guys. Bye.